So welcome back to the channel everyone. I thought I'd do a bit of a vlog video for you as I've been doing a lot of drone footage lately. So I'll break it up a bit and give you a vlog style video. Saturday the 22nd of April and we've come out to Grimsargh Wetlands Nature Reserve, and you can see right now on screen where that location is. We've got some sheep in the background. Beacon Fell is in the background, which is the first video that I did on the channel. We've got Marley, so we'll show you a bit around here first and then we'll get the drone up and have a look at this from above. So as I was saying guys, Beacon Fell is in the distance. I hope my camera's picking that up properly for you. I can't zoom any more than that, but it's basically, if you look along the horizon there, it's the bunch of trees that is the highest on that horizon, the highest point there, and that's Beacon Fell, which is what we covered on the first video. So also around here we've got plenty of farmlands, lots of sheep, all kinds of nature here. We've seen already some long-tailed tits, we've seen some rabbits running in the grass, we've seen some great tits flying around. And on the nature reserve, I'll just spin round for you so you can see. This is the Wetlands Nature Reserve. Some black-headed gulls on there. Got some birds on the water. A couple down there. Don't know if you can see them properly. And we've got this sign which I'll show you, a bit of information about where we actually are. I won't read it all out guys, you can pause the video, read through that yourself, I'm not going to bore you with all that. But at the bottom you can see Grimsargh Wetlands Trustees, and we've come up this path, followed it all the way along, and this is one of the viewing areas for this nature trust site. So we'll get the drone up. We won't try and disturb the birds too much. I'll try and keep my distance, keep round the outside, not to disturb them. And I think we'll take it up and have a look at the surrounding area around here as well. I've also got Marley. She's with me today as well. So as I said, Saturday 22nd of April, it's about 7:15 in the evening now. The sun is just coming down, so that'll be a nice sight to capture on the drone. So let's get into the video, hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed that one. Give it a thumbs up for me if you've enjoyed that video. We're not going to stand here too long and do this outro, as there's a lot of flies around me eating me at the minute, having the dinner, so we'll make this quick. If you've not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe for more content like this. I'll be doing more drone videos. I've created some playlists so you can see there's some drone footage on there, there's vlogs, I've done a few live streams. So if you do like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe guys. Click the notifications so you don't miss any future videos that are upcoming that I do. And like this video if you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you on the next one.